Previously on School Scran.
We're deciding whether we should go for the cheaper flour and what kind of flour we should get.
We are doing pretty good for ourselves. We have got everything. This is all fat-free and quite cheap, so cool curries for the win. Hello, we are Neve and Dee, and today we're going to be cooking
lasagna and making banana split. We're very excited.
Yes, and you'll see the disaster we make later.
Washing my hands.
And why do you need to do that?
Because otherwise I'll get bacteria and germs into the food and disease everyone.
Okay, so I don't want you to rush, but just want you to just be mindful of what you're doing. Take care. I think about all the ingredients that you're putting in. We've come up with some really healthy stuff and some great ingredients. We're eating the colours of the rainbow, so it's going to be brilliant. So you just need to, when you're chopping, make sure that you chop them quite small because we want to cook them all at the same time. So don't do great big chunks because it's going to take forever to cook. And the idea is we're going to be able to sit down and actually eat together at the end of it.
So what are you doing now?
Washing the vegetables. We have garlic and mushrooms. It's pressure.
Okay, so what I would do is, so what you want to do when you're washing these is make sure you get all the grit off.
You're an expert now, aren't you?
Yeah. I can't wait to eat it.
How are you feeling about it?
It's going to be fun and exciting, and the best part's going to be trying it afterwards.
Is it like that? I think it's like that. I don't know. I'm just gonna guess.
It's not affecting you yet then?
No, it doesn't affect me. Is that weird? Yeah. Or I'm just special. Wow. I already know that I'm special. About to say that.
What?
It's the core there that makes you cry.
Why were you cutting on a brown board?
So what does it say in the instructions?
2 red peppers diced, de-seeded and diced small. There's only
One spiralising the courgettes ready to put it in the lasagna, aren't we? It's cutting it nice and thin so it cooks evenly.
Oh no, we need to do the carrots next.
Okay.
Wash them first then.
You probably need to get your pan ready now that you're going to cook.
I've not even done half of it yet. Cooking stuff.
Smells nice already.
Thinly.
Easier to chop into cubes.
Okay. Like that.
I'm Emma, preparing the food to make a lasagna.
We're opening tins of tomato to go into the
See what happens.
We've developed a skill.
Can you pick anything off there that you've done now?
We've organised what we're doing. We feel like we belong here.
Get together with people you can rely on.
How have we solved the problem?
I'm in. Be brave.
Actually, we have solved the problem. We had to boil water without a kettle.
So what have you put in so far then?
Carrots, onion, celery, garlic, and the mince, corn mince.
You liking the look of it so far then?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think it's quite easy?
Yeah.
So do you think there's any of the resilient moves that you've done so far today?
Develop life skills. Organise myself.
Okay, have you done that?
Because I had to make sure that all the food was organised, and obviously everyone else had to help with that. Get together
together with people you can rely on, to rely on everyone to get the vegetables.
So guys, what we've done so far today is we've analysed the recipe, what we're going to need, and then the guys have been separated into little groups to take control of different parts of the recipe. It's cooking along nicely now, and the lads over here behind us are cleaning everything, like the chopping boards, the sides, to make sure everything's as clean as possible.
Am I just putting these to him?
So we want 1 tablespoon. So we're making the white sauce to put in the lasagna. So when we put the corn mince and all the vegetables, we're going to do a layer of pasta with some cheese and some natural yoghurt.
I'm just adding in 70 grams of tomato puree, because we split it into 2 because one pan wasn't big enough. We've had to separate it 35 by 35, is that right?
Yeah.
Vegetable ocho cubes in boiled water, which means a mixture. Starting to look,
and then like this.
the bits are starting to disappear because it was full of bits before.
Yeah. So at the moment we're doing the different elements to the vegetarian lasagna. We've got people making white sauce, we've got people cooking up the vegetarian corn mince and all the veggies that goes in the lasagna. We've got people down there preparing the dessert, grating chocolate, washing berries for the banana split. So it's all going on at the moment. Yeah, we're just about to prepare the lasagna dishes so we can put the different layers in and get it in the oven.
So is it easier to mix together now?
Yeah.
I don't know, I wasn't here before they were in.
So would you both make this at home?
Yeah.
Find it really easy to do?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything in there?
It probably helps to have a practice.
If I had helped.
Yeah, it probably helps to have a practice.
Is there anything in there that you don't like?
Courgettes, mushrooms.
Would you rephrase the question? Is there anything in there that you haven't tried?
Or is there anything in there that you like? Because I don't like comments either.
Bit by bit, just so then we didn't add too much.
That's really good. I'll follow your lead on. All sorts of resilient moves being made. Developing life skills, leaning on each other when necessary, organising each other, taking responsibility, all sorts going on.
So do you do any cooking when you're at home?
Sometimes, my mum's not there. Mainly frozen food, I put it in the oven or the microwave.
What like pizza?
Yes.
You do it like that. You've done so much cheese. They do it.
Okay. So that's fine for that one. Okay.
So where's all the food now then that you guys are working on?
In the oven.
How long has it got to be in the oven for?
15 minutes.
Okay, do you know what temperature?
What's 190? So now what I'm doing is I'm melting the chocolate over a pan that's got water in it so that we don't burn the chocolate. And we're going to put our bananas, dip our banana into the chocolate for the banana split.
They are putting the blueberries. They are blueberries, yeah.
Yes, and almonds.
And almonds on the banana split, and then I'm using a spoon gonna add this.
Chocolate.
The chocolate, grated chocolate.
So that's the high cocoa. It's got high cocoa content, so it's got less sugar. Well done everyone, it looks absolutely
Well done.
Talk us through what it took to make that.
They needed to buy the ingredients first.
So we did need to buy the
We needed
ingredients.
to work together as a team.
We did need to work together as a team. So we're here, we've got the ingredients. Talk to me about what you did as a group. Yeah.
So we all got split into teams and had a role to do each.
Okay, so what was yours?
Cutting garlic.
Cutting garlic. What other vegetables did we cut?
We did carrots.
Carrots.
Peppers, onions.
Mushrooms. What was the order then?
We did courgette, onion, celery and garlic.
Yeah.
And then it was carrot. And then we added courgette and mushrooms with Worcester sauce and herbs. We put the tomato puree in and then we put the chopped tomatoes in.
And where did the corn mince come in?
Oh yeah, we did that after.
Somewhere in the middle. So whilst that was all cooking in the pan, who made the white sauce?
So first of all, I should the flour, so it was 1 tablespoon, and then I put in and then natural yogurt, and then I put in the mustard powder.
Mustard powder, yeah.
And then I put it on the heat and added cheese in bit by bit.
Yeah, what did you do just before you put it on the heat?
Oh, put the eggs in.
And why didn't you put it in on the heat?
Because they would scramble.
Because they would scramble, absolutely. Does anyone want to say anything before we leave?
If we die, bon appetit!
I'd just like to say I'm really impressed by you as a whole team, as you as individuals. You've all worked hard to cook it, but you've also worked hard in cleaning and tidying away and helping each other. It's been really good to see that on week 1 of cooking.
Have a bit of that meat.
If you die,
You'll never know if you don't try it. Come on! There I am. Sam, you were saying you wanted to be more healthy and get your steps in, try eating that.
Sam, come on. There you go. Back in your mouth. Go.
Eat it. Get in there!
Yes!
Chocolate properly.
Just like how we needed to boil water, but we didn't have a kettle.
Oh my god.
Fantastic.
Trauma.
That's problem solving. Brilliant, Sam. Thank you. Who wants to go next?
Develop
Yes,
healthy diet.
Healthy diet. Talk to me about that, healthy diet.
Well, the lasagna we made was vegetarian and they're very low in fat. And this does not have any ice cream, it has Greek yogurt instead.
Developing life skills.
Developing life skills, absolutely, yeah.
we and others when necessary.
And when did you have to do that today, mate? Right now. Or did you see other people doing it? We did it right now.
Yeah, helping each other.
I saw it all over, yeah. Helping each other, whether that was chopping, prepping, cooking, cleaning. You were helping each other really, really, really well today. So when you were talking to your friends today, did you feel like you could rely on them to do what you were asking them to do? In most cases.
I don't think he thought that about me. I don't think she thought about me. I found time for my talent to sing. Feel about today, Lucas?
I felt good today because I developed life skills in planning my future.
Why? How did you do that?
I want to be a chef when I'm older, and I feel like it's been getting closer. And I know how to cook lasagna.
Next time on School Scran.